Let me show you how you can use the CoMedAI application. First, let's open the application. Okay, we have sign in and we have sign up. Log into your account from CoMedGmail.com and the sign in. Wait a second, and we have logged in our account. You can see here at the observation screen. We have 3 tabs. Add observation, all observations, and then the organization screen. Let's start from the add observation. How we can add the observation? Firstly, after radiologist will observe the patient and get the brain MRI scan, and then the select type. We have brain MRI, and then the patient. Select the patient or add new patient. Let's add new patient. For example, Vera, and year is 1980 and save. As you can see, it's saved. Now we can select the patient. Click on the Vera. And now patient is selected. Now radiologist should fill out details like scanning technique, minimum focus diameter, location. We have orbital cones. If there is some additional observations, radiologist should fill this field also. And then click on the generate. Let's simulate these sections. On click simulate, we can see it's filled out with some test data. Now we can click on the generate and we can see we have the conclusion. Now we can regenerate it or we can save it. Let's regenerate it. Just click on the regenerate and you can see the conclusion is regenerated. Now we can submit it or simply save it. Dr. Lee. Okay, and click submit. You can see observation saved successfully. Now we can go to all observations and here we can see the new observation, Vera, and we can also search here. For example, Vera, on the click expand, you can see all observations. Let's see the last observation. Just click on a card and here you can see the observation. Let's scroll down. You can see the conclusion. Radiologist who observed the patient, observed date and the status. We can change the conclusion. Simply just click conclusion. It opens the conclusion and you can edit. Let's write something and click submit. It will save and now we can see the updated conclusion. Now we can generate the report. Firstly, we should approve. Doctor should approve the observation. Let's approve the observation. Dr. Jane. Just a random name. Okay, we can see the observation is approved. It's written on the card. Just click card and scroll down. You can see observation is approved. And now we can generate the report. Just click on the generate report. It will generate the report. Report was generated and we can download it. Just click on the download. If it says no report to download, you should just refresh and then after refresh, do not click generate report, but click on download the last report. Now it will download the last report that we generated. Here you can see the report and above you can see the full name of hospital and the brain MRI. It's a department and here you can see some address of hospital and the patient's full name, patient birth year, date of observation, radiologist full name, and the head doctor who signed the report and generated the report. And this is the protocol of MRI, study of the brain. And here you can see the observation and scroll down, you can see the conclusion and also some notes that this conclusion is not a final diagnosis and requires comparison with clinical and laboratory data. And there is phone number of hospital. Here on the organization, you can see the details like organization full name, department, phone number, and the full address. It's required to fill out and it will be reflected as you saw in the report. We can also create an account. Just click on the sign up, add your company name, for example, Brain MRI, and email brainmri.com. And for password, let's just copy paste. Okay, click on sign up. You can see the organization registered and you can open your brain MRI.